wanna hug you. I missed you so, so much. The whole day I missed you. You know that? Navigato told me you ate so nicely. And I even pumped milk for you because I love you so much. You know that? And now, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna drink some soup. You see how he's looking?
Yeah.
My goodness! Smart little
Wait,
munchkin.
hold up the thing for which day it is.
Oh, it's a video?
Yeah.
Oh, let's show everyone how smart you are in day one. I am 9 days old, and I am listening, and I'm following, and everyone is so proud of you. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, should I tell you even more? Soon I'm going to feed you. I'm just going to drink some soup. You know why? Because I want to have more milk for you. You know that, Sadik? And you're listening so nicely, and I'm so proud of you. You know that? And where's our dad? Call him.
Aaroni, Leib.
Aaroni, Leib. There's our dad over there. He's looking for the noise where it's coming from.
Leib.
Yeah? Are you such a good boy? What did you do by Abigail's house? Did you eat? Was it yummy? Did you sleep well? Did you mix the day and the night and you think you should be up at night and sleepy in the morning? That's what you think? Mwah! Love you. Love you so, so, so much. We're so happy you're a baby. You know that? Look, what is that all day? Cute. And I love you so much. And you have such cute hands. And then here's another one. Right? You just like to be entertained? Yeah? I don't blame you. I don't blame you. Abigail said she's going to give you a bath soon. Do you want to take a bath? Are you going to be all clean? You're already clean now. You know that the Moel came today, and the Moel said everything is good with your breast, and I'm so happy. Abigail told me it hurt when he checked you. Was it painful? I'm sorry. You're gonna grow very soon. You're gonna tell me a lot of stories. Yeah? Yeah? Of course you're gonna tell me a lot of stories. What are you thinking? What are you thinking there, baby leg? What are you thinking? Just content? Baruch Hashem. Oh, love you. He's just happy.
Yeah, good.
That's what you did last night. Should I tell you at 3 o'clock in the morning? You just wanted me to tell you stories. And I was really not in the mood of that, but I did it anyway.